Okay, what's up, guys? I'm using the Kreg Deck Jig. It's been going pretty good. Let's see if you can see. I have gotten this part of the deck done, so I wanted to make it look as professional as possible looking, and I wanted to have hidden screws. So I was looking at the different ones, and this one would appear to be the best one for the bang for the buck. And this is what I bought. And if you could see how it came out, they came into the, it's like on the sides and stuff like that. And I mean, I thought it would be a little bit lower, because to me I could still see it, but maybe that's just since I'm doing it, I'm knowing how it works. I can see where I did it at, but I mean, it's not that bad. It's a little time consuming. It takes me some time, and I mean, if I'm working by myself, that's another thing you need to realize. I'm doing this all by myself. Drill it, and then you got to screw it, and at the same time, you got to keep pressure on it and hold it in. So after you got to hold it to drill it in, to drill the hole, and then you got to keep the pressure on it, and then you use your other hand to get the screw, put the screw into the hole, and then you got to get your driver and then drill it in. So it's just time consuming to me. But does it work? Is the product good? I mean, it works for me. If I was a professional, I mean, I probably would be like, I think I need a quicker solution, just for time's sake. But yeah, and that's it. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how to use at least just one part of it, just so you can understand what I'm doing. You see, it has these guides, these lines. So that's like the beam or your joist. Your joist marker. You put your joist between these two, and that's supposed to be the center. Okay. One thing I did learn as I did it. I wish that this was some improvement, I guess. I wish this was not plastic, or maybe metal, or just something sturdier. I wish this lip right here was a little bit longer, because when you're holding it over and you just use one hand, it can come off. It's like it comes off. So I just improvements I think could be made. But anyway, I'm about to demonstrate how I used it. So you put the spacer up in there, and we're gonna do the same thing.